Today I'm going to teach you how to join two tables on multiple columns in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you need to create relationships between tables based on more than one field, giving you more precise data connections for your reports and visualizations. First things first, open your Power BI application and make sure you're working with the dataset you want to connect. Once you have Power BI open, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see several icons representing different views. Click on the Model View icon to switch your workspace. This view is specifically designed for managing relationships between tables and gives you a visual layout of how your data connects. Now let's say you're working with a table called Sample 1. Click on this table to select it, then navigate to the top toolbar where you'll find the New Column button. Click on it to create a custom column that will serve as our joining key. This step is crucial because it allows us to combine multiple fields into a single identifier. In the formula bar that appears, type join ID equals, then you'll need to reference the fields you want to combine. Type sample1 open bracket name close bracket, which pulls in the name field from your first table. Next, add an ampersand symbol to concatenate values. After that, type a hyphen inside double quotation marks, then another ampersand. Finally, add sample1 open bracket sales close bracket. This formula creates a unique identifier by combining the name and sales columns with a hyphen in between. Once you've typed this out, copy the entire formula because we'll need it again in just a moment. Then hit the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm the new column. Now we need to do the exact same thing for your second table. Click on the Sample 2 data table to select it, then click New Column again from the top toolbar. Here's where that copied formula comes in handy. Paste the formula you copied earlier into the formula bar. Since we're now working with Sample 2, you'll need to make a quick adjustment. Change every instance of Sample 1 in the formula to Sample 2. This ensures the formula is pulling data from the correct table. Once you've made these changes, hit the Enter key on your keyboard to create the new column. At this point, you should see a Join ID column appear in both of your tables. These columns now contain matching values based on the name and sales fields we combined earlier, creating a bridge between the two tables. Now comes the visual part that makes Power BI so intuitive. To create the relationship, click on the Join ID column in Sample 1 and drag it over to the Join ID column in Sample 2. Power BI will automatically create a connecting line between the two tables, establishing the relationship based on your custom join column. Finally, click Save to preserve your changes and ensure this relationship is applied to your data model. And that's it. You've successfully joined two tables on multiple columns in Power BI, giving you a more flexible and accurate way to relate your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.